Welcome to day 10 of the springtime juice cleanse. Today I'm going to chew some food. I made some really nice 3-ingredient romaine lettuce leaves, a little bit of almond butter spread on the leaves, and some banana. You just roll these up. It's a great tortilla. Oh man, or burrito, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, it's been a pleasure. I really enjoyed it. We will do this again. And, you know, that gave me a nice jump start. So now, you know, I'm going to try and stay on the clean path. Mainly just fruits during the day. And then at night, some leafy greens, maybe a little fat, you know, every 2 or 3 days. And that's basically it. You know, that's, if you do that day in, week out, month after month, year after year, you're going to see really nice improvements in your health. So I wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe, give me a like, a thumbs up, and stay in touch. Any questions or comments, I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Take care.